Hi, today I will show you how to make a raft out of PVC pipes and styrofoam. As you can see, I used PVC pipe 110 centimeters and 120 centimeters, styrofoam is 20 centimeters thick. I will explain in detail all the measures I used below the video. To start the raft, I made a propeller from PVC pipes 50 centimeters and PVC pipes for water 20 centimeters which I connected to the cordless drill. How I did this I will show in the next video. Stay until the end of the video. Tell me your opinion in the comment, like the video, it will mean a lot to me. Now let's go test the raft. I hope I don't sink, stay with me. Let's go try it. I can tell you that this is great, the impression is phenomenal. Now I'm going to go a little deeper to try the stability. This worked. I didn't drown in the water. I will still enjoy fishing on my raft. I will now show you in detail how I made the raft. This is all we need from the material. I will need two 120 centimeters pipes 1 meter long, then two 110 centimeters pipes. Two pipes 50 centimeters and two pipes 40 centimeters of 50 centimeters. I cut 4 pipes 25 centimeters long, then I added a worm screw clamp 120 centimeters to connect with other pipes. Here I have 2 metal pipes 125 centimeters long and 4 millimeters thick. I need 2 end cap 120 centimeters, and 2 end cap 110 centimeters, worm screw clamp 120 centimeters, and plate 110 to 70, 2 centimeters thick. The required 6 styrofoam boards are 20 to 50, 30 centimeters in size. I cut styrofoam in this shape as you can see. I drilled the hole by making teeth on the PVC pipe then sharpening them. I'll show you briefly how it works. The next step is to lubricate the silicone with styrofoam, paint and then varnish. I made 6 pieces of styrofoam. We take the 120 centimeters tube, and 2 styrofoam, then I will insert the tube through the styrofoam. Then I will install the cap, so that water does not enter the pipe. It is mandatory to install the rubber before installing the plug. It took me 10 minutes to mount as well American Samoa to dismantle the raft. The raft is easily portable and is just the size that can fit in a car. I will use primer spray, then I will paint the raft white to make it more beautiful. Thanks for watching. Leave your opinion in the comments. I hope you liked this video.